How you doing? This is Jason Green from www.urbanaffairs.org. This is the second video tutorial. This one is on how to configure, so to speak, your website, to develop and create pages. We're going to begin by going to the www.gmail.com, excuse me, and we're going to log in with the account that we created earlier. Sign in. Okay. And we're going to go back to the same menu where it says more. Click on sites. This is the site that we had created earlier. I'm going to go back real quick to what we talked about earlier. I had went a little fast through a few things, so I just want to clear that up. About the themes. If you click this button here, it'll open up to a variety of themes. You'll select one that you like for your new website that you're creating. And there's more options here where you can share your site with everyone or only people you specify. For this case, it'll be shared with everyone. And then you'll type in the code shown and click create site. We're going to go back. This is the site that we created. You're going to click there, and this is the theme that I chose, and this is how your site will open it up. These are default pages that come with your site when you set it up. Now we're going to go to create our first page. Let's make an about us page. So we'll go create page, and it's different types of pages you can make. Standard regular web page, an announcement page where you can post announcements and stuff that might be going on in your school or classroom. The file cabinet, that's actually to like attach files that you might want people to be able to download from your site. And a list where you can make a itemized list where you can sort information and stuff like that. But for this video tutorial, we're going to do a standard web page. It's going to make that an about us. Excuse me again. And you can put it at the top level or under home. For this scenario, we're going to put it at the top level. Okay, and you just click create page, and there's your about us page. It opens up in the editor, and I'll show you a few things about the editor. You can change your layout if you want it to be 3 columns or whatever. And let's just leave it like this. And you can type here about, excuse me, school X, Y, Z. And you can change the font size if you'd like, make it bold. You can change your text color, and you can center it if you want to. And you see it shows up there. After you make any changes, of course, you always want to save. And there you go. You see how that shows up? About school XYZ. Now you can go through different pages. This takes you back to your home page. And say you want to edit and add a picture of your school. So you would, like I just did, click the editor and go insert, image, browse, and you'll find your image. And double click on it like that, and your image is inserted. You can center it, and you can change your layout, and you can type welcome to our school. You can bold that, Change the font size, center it, change the color if you'd like, and always save. And there's your home page. Now you can lay this out any way you want, and you can add as many pages as you'd like. Let me show you guys how to add a sub page. Create page. Say you want this page to be named Student Body Government. Put under home. You're going to make a sub page, so you're going to put it under home. Create page. Now you notice how Student Body Government shows up under the home link. And I'll just type some simple text here. Jason is the president. Okay. You can change your layout if you like. Uh, you can put like your treasurer here or secretary here, however you would like to do it. And like I said, always remember to save your information. Okay. And if you wanted to take a preview of your site to see what it would look like, you just go to the More Actions button here and click Preview this page as viewer. And you see it opens up, and this is what your site would look like on the web. Okay. Uh, go over one more thing before we finish up here. Uh, we'll talk about, you see the name of your sites here. Let's say you want to change the name. You would go to Manage Site. Then you would come over here, General, Site Name, and you can make, let's say, AAP Example Affairs. You can do a site description. We're the best. And so a lot of other things here that you can play around with, but I'll go over that in another tutorial. Your landing page, the page that people come to when they click on the link in the academic affairs project, or if they type in your URL, and so on and so forth. But we're not going to mess with any of that. We're going to save changes. So your changes have been saved. Return to site. AAP Example Affairs shows up here. See? Let's see. Show you a few more things real quick. We'll go back to the manage site. Say you want to change the site colors, fonts. You would click on the colors and fonts link button, and you could change like the page wrapper background. Let's see what we're going to do. Site title color. We'll mess with that. And click custom, so we'll make that red. You see how that changed right there automatically? And it's a bunch of different things you can change about your site. You guys should play with that, give your site the custom look and feel that you want it to have. Again, we'll save the changes. If you want to change your site's theme, you can just click on themes. And right now we have the charcoal theme selected. Say you wanted this theme right here. It's a nice theme. You click it and save changes and return to site. And as you see, the changes have been saved. Okay. Now after you do that, you want to submit your website to participate in the academic affairs project.